All right, guys, we are on our 2019 BMW X3, and I've got the KingBolen K7. And I just want to do a quick auto search, and we're going to get into this and do a walkthrough on this scan tool and what kind of functions it has on this BMW. Particularly the bidirectional controls, and we'll go from there. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see it's got automatic search, manual, select, code, coding and program, special functions, and anti-theft system. Special functions, we'll hit that. And I'm just going to hit drive. And I'm going to scroll through these and let you have a look. These are bidirectional controls that this scan tool has on this car after scanning all the modules for any kind of bidirectional ability. Go back the other way, then we'll go to the next. Chassis. Go back, go to body. We'll do driver assistance, maintenance, we'll go ahead and do vehicle information, and we'll do battery modification and battery replacement. Now we'll go back, and I'm going to go ahead and do the coding and we'll go ahead and do coding and program. This is an X series. This is an X3 G01. The coding is so you can code the modules to this vehicle. So if you needed to change out one of the modules, you can put another one in and use the coding feature to code it to the vehicle. The personalization allows you to go through all the different options that this car has that can be changed. And I'll let you read this right here. Hit OK. We'll hit next. The scan tool's got lifetime updates also. And instead of going through each one of these modules, I'm going to click the function help. And what that's going to give us is a breakdown of everything that this scanner should be able to do in each one of these modules. So you can see the very first one, the junction box electronics, JBE or JBBF, depending on which year, make, and model you're working on. We're just going to scroll, and you can read what this scanner will be able to modify. Pretty good list of modifications you can make to the different modules. BMWs are good about that. They allow you to tweak different modules to your liking. So you can see this module's got over 100 different things that you can tweak in it. Just this one module. Then the next one right here, the PMA module, it's got 4. This next one's got 26, and we're at the end. So you can see it's a pretty lengthy list of things that you can customize. So let's go ahead and back out of this. You got your retrofit. I'm going to back out of that, back out of that, back again. And at this one, we're going to go ahead and do automatic search. And we're going to do a module scan and see what else this scanner has for this vehicle. Well, I didn't want to do that. Automatic search. Next. And what I want to do is just a health report. You can see that it's got commonly used special functions and it's got your regular special functions. And we've already looked at the special functions, so I'm going to do health report. And then we'll get into one of these and we'll see what it's got. Of course, you can clear the DTCs. You can do a report. Let's get into this BDC. Let's take a look at these right here. Go ahead and get into the module. And I'm going to go ahead and start at the bottom at the actuation test just to let you take a look at that. And now I want to read fault codes. And it looks like we've got a question mark. Let me see if that question mark means anything. Okay, that'll take you to the Google search. It automatically puts it in, pulls up Google. Of course, you do have to be connected to the internet, and that shows you, gives you some ideas on what you can do to start troubleshooting your that particular code. Okay, read clear fault code. There's data stream. There's read freeze frame. And we already did the actuation test. And let's go to, and yeah, it's not uncommon for these BMWs to have multiple codes just because. I typically don't worry about them as long as we're not having any problem. I don't worry too much about it. Let's go into this module. Let's go ahead and go into the actuation test. You can see them there. Back out of that. Back out of that one more time. So you can see that it picked up quite a few modules. It scanned every module that could be on this vehicle and listed them all here. I'm going to go ahead and clear these DTCs. And after my wife gets home from work tomorrow, I'm going to do another scan just to see if any of them has come back in a day. And there we go. Now the BDC still showing a code saying radio remote control battery under voltage. I might have to put a new battery in the remote. And I'm going to go ahead and click on commonly used special functions just to give you an idea of what all pops up on that. And what this does is it prevents you from having to dig around in multiple modules trying to find a particular special function. It lists all the commonly used ones right here. And that looks like it. And then, of course, your regular special functions is going to list every one of them, not just the commonly used one. Anyway, this is the K7 by KingBolen, and this was a 2019 BMW X3. You guys take care.